create a second Facebook profile with same email on Android phone? Can I have two personal profile on Facebook? How can I have two Facebook accounts on Android? Yes, creating multiple profiles for single Facebook account is now possible. You can create and add additional Facebook profiles with same emails on Android phone. Now, first of all, we should open the Facebook app, and when you open after that, just tap on the three-line menu icon here to the top of the menu screen, and after that, just tap on the display that your name, accounts, and photo. Tap on this, and here you will see create Facebook profile. So tap on this, and now tap on the get started. So enter your profile name, Mr. HRO. So now tap on the continue. Now you can add photo to your profile, then continue. So I will just add after that. Now just tap on the continue, and now tap on the create profile. So now you can add photo and cover to your new profile, and you are done. So this is how to create multiple profile for your Facebook account with same email. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.